Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is lydianakibule. On this channel we share about crochet tutorials. In today's video we are going to learn the basic stitches for crochet beginner. Are you willing to start crocheting? Are you a crochet beginner and you are stuck somewhere? This video is for you. We are going to learn how to hold a hook, how to hold a yarn, how to make a slip knot, the basic stitches from chain, single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, and double crochet. We are going to learn there is USA term and UK term, but on this channel we use US term. At the end of video, we shall be able to differentiate between all those stitches and we shall have the comparison at the end of the materials we are going to use. How to use those. This is yarn. It is acrylic yarn. It's 100%. It is 100% acrylic. As a crochet beginner, I advise you to use either acrylic yarn or cotton yarn. It will be easier if you are flogging. You know, if you are starting crocheting, sometimes you flog. Flogging means undoing your work. With this acrylic yarn, it will be easier for you. Even if when you flog it, you can still use it. I also advise you to use light colored yarn as a crochet beginner. And this is medium weight hook. This one is a 3.5. The yarn is medium weight yarn. It is 4-ply and a pair of scissors. We are going to use this one in today's video. We are going to start from slip knot, chain, single crochet, a half double crochet. Then we shall end with treble crochet. How to hold a hook? Basically, two common ways. There are basically two common ways. You can hold it like a knife like this. Also, you can hold it like a pencil like this. For me, sometimes when I'm crocheting bags, I hold it like a pencil like this. When I'm crocheting clothes, I hold it like a knife like this. Whichever which is easier for you, you can use that. How I hold my yarn, I tie this yarn, this is the working yarn, onto this index finger like this, and I start crocheting like this. You can also do like this. How to make a slip knot? You tie the yarn onto these two fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, and you make an X like this. Like this. This is the working yarn. You remove like this these two fingers and you pass the finger and pull this working yarn like this. This is the slip knot. I do it one more time. You tie the yarn into these two fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, and make an X like this. Remove it through like this, and you pass the finger and pull this working yarn. That is a slip knot. How to make a chain? You start with a slip knot. Like this. You hold your working yarn. The working yarn and the hook must be parallel like this. As you can see, this is the working yarn, then the hook. You pass this hook down into the working yarn and you hold it underneath and you pull this working yarn. That is one chain. When you pull this working yarn, that is 2 chains. You continue and pull this working yarn, that is 3. That is 4. Make sure it is loose, not tightened. It is loose. That is 3. We are going to make 10. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is chain. We are going to cut on pair. We are going to cut off this one. Foundation chain, we are going to chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This 11 is going to be the turning chain. We pass the hook into this V. You see this V? And we'll pull this working yarn like this. We have 2 loops on the hook. We pull through, that is single crochet. Second time we pass the hook into the chain. We pull this working yarn. We have 2 loops and we pull through all, that is single crochet. We continue. We pull the working yarn. We have 2 loops. We go through all, that is single crochet. We continue until the end. Single crochet. We are going to cut off chain 1 and cut. Next we are going to a half double crochet. Remember this is US turn. We start with a slip knot. For this we are going to chain 12 foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are going to yarn over. We have 2 loops on the hook and then we pass the hook into this second chain from the hook and we'll pull this working yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. We pull through all these 3 loops. That is a half double crochet in US turns. So we go through half double crochet in US turn. Then next we yarn over inside. You yarn over into this chain. You pass the hook into the chain, you pull this working yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, you pull through all the 3, that is a half double crochet, you yarn over, you go inside the chain, you pull this working yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, you go through all, continue, yarn over, inside the chain you pull the working yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, you go through all the 3, we continue until to the end, you pull the working yarn, 3 loops, you go through all. Let us continue until the end. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Next is double crochet slip knot. We are going to chain 13 for foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We are going to yarn over and count 3 chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. We pass the hook and pull this working yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. We'll pull this working yarn and first pull through the first 2 loops like this. Remain with 2 loops, then you pull through these 2 loops. That is double crochet. This first chain 3, it is our first double crochet, then this is the second double crochet. Again, you yarn over inside the chain, you pull this working yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, you pull through first 2 loops, remain with 2 loops, you pull through these 2 loops. That is double crochet. Yarn over, you pull this working yarn, you have 3 loops, you pull through these first 2 loops, then these 2 loops. That is double crochet. We continue until the end. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Next is treble crochet. We start with a slip knot. Foundation chain, we are going to chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For treble crochet, we are going to yarn over 2 times. We yarn over 1 time, then second time, and we are going to count 4 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We pull this working yarn. We have 4 loops on the hook. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll pull the working yarn and the first part. We'll pull this working yarn and the first go through the first 2 loops, remain with 3 loops, then you pull through. You pull again the working yarn and pull the 2 loops, remain with 2 loops, and then you finish. That is treble crochet. You yarn over 2 times. Inside the chain you pull the working yarn. You have 4 loops on the hook. You go through the first 2 loops, you remain with 3. You go through 2 loops, remain with 2. Again, you go through the 2 loops. That is treble crochet. You yarn over 2 times. Inside the chain, you pull the working yarn, 4 loops. You go through 2 loops, then 2 loops, then you finish with 2 loops. That is treble crochet on US terms. You continue until the end. Then you chain 1 and cut the yarn. And pull through. This is treble crochet. This is double crochet. This is a half double crochet. This is single crochet, and this is chain. Chain, single crochet, a half double crochet, treble crochet. These are the basic stitches you need as a crochet beginner. Also, patterns originate from these stitches. You can see some patterns is a mixture of single crochet and double crochet. Others you can combine double crochet, a half double crochet. As long as you understand these are the basics.